When you meet with your accountant, do you feel like a kid from Charlie Brown, listening to the teacher go, wah, wah, wah? Do you wish there was someone you could talk to who could explain things in plain English to translate confusing reports into something you can actually use to make actionable business decisions? So do we. LaPlante Management works with your team to build, enhance, and maintain financial systems that are efficient, effective, and understandable. Stop wondering when your accountant is going to start speaking your language. Get a system in place that speaks yours instead. LaPlante Management. We're here to help.